What's up, guys? Back in another video again. But but I said inside though. First of all, kayak man here again. Kayak dipper. But go by Redneck TV dipper. Redneck TV, but I don't want to come here, guys. But yeah, guys. Let's get this fucking video. Let's do the video. Pack with me, guys. If I did, pack with me, y'all. But yeah. But fuck, bro. Fuck, bro. If y'all did, pack one, put a picture here with me. The brand new can. Never be open just now. But yeah, guys. If you don't be able to get dipper, like me, don't do it. Don't do it. Video is bad. And then this bad, y'all. This time. You don't do it that bad. That's all I just see y'all. Don't try to dip. But I'll show you guys right now. I made a video about cooking. But that might be cancer. But that might be cancer, y'all. I might got cancer that shit. But yeah, that's one cancer. But boy, he's so crazy. But yeah, guys, that's my cancer. I might not cook tonight. But I'll give you an update. Yeah, I do cook. Do you know what I submit balls for? It is because I can't find a mud jug. Because the mud is $100 mud jug. For one more drug, $29. Right, $30 for a mud drug. I don't have $30 for mud drug for a car. Ain't no credit cards by the mud drug, so I got some spinning ball on. But any parents like you did. That's on them. Not me. But that's all I gotta tell y'all is please don't try to dip. Because even for the fucking big old fucking pinch in your mouth, yes I did. Oh shit, I see fucking moon back in my head. That how bad dick can get a fucking buzz. Don't fucking dip. Fuck hard in here. But don't try any kind of dip but pouch. Try pouches. I've been in pouches since I was 16. No, we're now 17 now. But I know people saying about this is bad. This is kind of bad though. If you didn't watch, did they fucking watch a long cut? That's just bad. You be like 1 can of snuff. 2 cans of snuff a day, 1 day. That's how long you ass. Don't sit there and did the whole fucking whole can dip. Don't sit there and dip the whole fucking can dip. Oh my god. This is my own can. All I used to dip fucking won't cut. The entire can. I used to. But but when I was dipping, you did a can of snuff. And like 90% of cancer. 90% get cancer in the mouth. That was the youngest kids watch my videos. Don't try to dip if you're not used to dipping. But my videos is for guys is under 21, over 21 to watch the videos. They ain't nothing about kids. Watch my videos. But kids, if you watch the video, do not try shit I do at home. Don't sit there cussing parents. Don't sit there calling your mom a bitch. Don't do that shit. Call your mom a bitch. That's the wrong thing to do. Call your mom a bitch. To her face. I done that. I got my ass whooped. But first of all, don't try shit what I do. Don't cuss like I do. But yeah. Y'all my videos. Let me know this video I'm gonna post for y'all guys. Try to comment. One cut. What? What y'all want to see me eat, put a trash can stuck in my mouth. You want me to put a food can in my mouth? Or no? Or no? Let me know from that brother. Do y'all want to put a tire can in my mouth, food can in my mouth, or try to kayak mint? But I'm gonna video a t-shirt for y'all guys to watch. See you tonight. I'm gonna cook some food for my mom or for my mom or dad or sister. But I will see you tonight. Maybe around 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock p.m. That was time I'm cook by 6. But if y'all want to see more videos of me dipping, try any kind of stuff, y'all want to try to dip, let me know comments down below, or in a video, I can sponsor a message, your comments. But follow me on Instagram. I will have my Instagram name on a video, this video. But see y'all. See y'all around 6. I'll make a video around 6 o'clock p.m. for you guys by me cooking on the fuck grill. But peace, y'all. No, peace out, guys. See you on next video. Peace out.